All right, boys, we at CO. Shit, goddamn. No, that's why I'm gonna buy a GTR, bro. Got a nice little 570 though. Let me see I'm trying to see the rims. Let me see the back end. Yeah, nah, I take the GTR. Nice little Ford GT. God damn. I don't know though. Half a million on this? I don't know about that. Look what I found. Goddamn yours. Holy shit. This is a good color. I buy this in yellow. This one, this is nice. Look at this Turbo S Taycan, bro. God damn, look at this. Sitting on chrome HREs. Sick. Look at this body. That's 550. It's clean. Sitting next to a goddamn piece of shit. No, I'm kidding. I'm fucking with y'all. GT63 is pretty clean though. Sitting next to GTC. We got a Rolls Royce right here, right? And then you got one right here. Which one y'all like better? Holy shit, look at this. Nah. Like the baby stroller, dog.
I mean, I got you, bro.
Here's the SVJ from last time, but look at those brakes.
Never been this close to all.
Got a nice interior too. We got Huracan lineup. And then there's a Gallardo, dog. And then there's this one. He's always around, the rental dude. But I don't know about these rims. I don't know. Questionable. Oh, clean NSX. Yeah. We got the JDM lineup, boys. The blue GTR is sick. Really, here's a little ass shot of the, you know what I'm saying, the blue GTR. It's sitting next to this wide body.
That's like not even a quarter inch. No. You see the exhaust? Dude, he hits a pop.
Oh my god, look at homeboy put an RB26 in it. Elon Musk is about to use this to get to the moon. Yeah, sitting next to a Supra too. What is this? ATL JDM has a freaking fire truck out here. God damn. I think wrong side of the road. Look at this thing, bro. I would drive this. This is fun. Is it manual though? Oh yeah, it's a manual. So C8 versus C7, which one would y'all take? You know what I'm saying? Because I think I would take the C7. Guys, look, I found the tugboat for Royal Caribbean. Look what homeboy Kevin found. His radar started going off because, you know, he's got the GT and all. But 500.
Okay. Yeah.
Thing is mean. Oh shit, look at this wide body 46, boys. It's a Supra.